See this beautiful tray and the beautiful flower which I have used in decorating it? Then let's make it today. Hi all, hope all of you are fine and well, and today I'm going to make the flower I have already used in decorating my trinket tray. The measurements are 1 into 3.5 centimeters. 1 centimeter is the width and 3.5 centimeters the length. To make the petals for the flower, we are going to burn both ends of the ribbon, but here's the trick: when you are burning it, we are going to burn the ends in opposite directions, and we are going to burn it in a rounded shape. Make 5 petals like this, and then we are going to sew the petals. So when you start to sew the petal, hold the ribbon from the wrong side and then fold it. This way you are going to get the shiny side in the inside of the flower, and it would be there at the outside of the flower too. We are not going to overlap the petals, we are going to sew the petals separately, and we are going to sew all the 5 petals like this. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Now sew the rest of the 3 petals like this. The petals are sewn, and now I'm going to pull the thread and give it a crimp. See how it's taking the shape of the flower. Now I am going to tie a knot. For this, I am going to pass the needle at the end of the flower and then give it a knot. It's done and your flower is made. Cut the thread, and now we are going to make the center portion of the flower, or the pollen of the flower. For this I am using these seed beads. These are golden seed beads, and I am going to take 6 seed beads for a flower. This is a golden jewelry wire I'm going to use to make the center portion of the flower. Now pass the wire through these 6 seed golden beads. Now fold the wire in half and pass one end of the wire through a bead that's at the end of the wire. And I have passed this wire just through one single bead. Then pull the wire and you are going to have the shape of a flower. Now we are going to make the center portion of this beaded flower. For this I have taken just one single seed bead, pass that wire through that bead. Now fold the wire, take it to the other end where already you have the other end of your wire. Now pass the wire through the bead that's at the end of other wire. Pull the wire and now twist the wire, twist it tightly. Now cut off the excessive wire, fold your twisted wire like I have done here. Your center portion of the flower is ready. Now we are going to stick that center portion with glue, and here I am using UHU. You can use any other glue of your choice. Your flower is ready. And you can see it's the same flower I have used in this trinket tray. Now I'm going to make the leaf I had also used in decorating trinket tray. This is 1 inch white green ribbon, and I am going to use a template. I had made this template on a paper. You can make it with cardboard too. When I was cutting the leaf, I had used the wrong side of the ribbon when I had folded the ribbon and then put the template on it and cut it. This way I had got two pieces of the ribbon. Now first of all, burn the edge of the ribbon to secure it. Now I have put dots of glue on that edge and stuck the other part of the ribbon on it. This way I have got a very wide leaf, and you can make wide leaves as wide as you wish with this method. Now I'm going to give it a crimp, and for this I'm burning the edge plus folding it with my fingers. See how frilly the edge of the leaf is? To make its main vein, I have folded it into equal portions and started to burn that. I did it with lighter just to show you can make the leaves with lighter too, but here I'm going to use the spirit lamp again, and I'm using my tongs as well. Firstly, I have given it the main vein, and now I am giving it the side veins, and the process is same. Your leaf is ready too, and so is your flower. Good day, all of you.